Let's face it, college is great for learning, but college without a car is a lot less fun. What better dream does a senior in high school have than to own a car? But with that car comes the hassle of insurance rates that are higher for the younger demographic of society, because individuals under the age of 25 are statistically proven to be high risk takers. Is there something that you as a college student can do to keep car insurance rates affordable? Here's a list of 5 car insurance do's and don'ts for all the college drivers out there. Do's. 1. Get good grades. Car insurance companies think that students in general are prone to drive rashly because they are yet learning to drive. In fact, 61% of young drivers admit to having risky driving habits like not wearing a seat belt. When it comes to making decisions while driving, they seem to be more prone to be distracted and impulsive. However, if a particular student can show that he is responsible, then the insurance company can offer a discount in his car insurance. One of the best ways to prove that you are a careful driver is by maintaining good grades. Some insurance companies offer the Good Student discount for students that have a GPA above a 3.0. 2. Carpooling. A general tip for anyone who is looking to buy car insurance is that you will get a lower premium if you drive less. How much less do you have to drive for it to affect your premium? Most insurance companies reduce premiums if you drive less than 10,000 miles a year. Driving less means less time on the road and therefore a lower probability of getting into an accident. One of the best ways to not just lower the miles you drive but also make friends is by carpooling. 3. Install airbags and anti-theft devices. Any kind of security measure you install in your car will reduce the probability of it being stolen or severely damaged in an accident. Airbags and car alarms are some of the most practical ways you can make driving safer for yourself and save precious dollars off your monthly premium. 4. Maintenance and servicing. Just like buying life insurance is cheaper when you're in the best of health, buying car insurance is also cheaper when you have a healthy car. Well-maintained cars will not break down easily and give you good mileage too. 5. Buy a used car. There are so many benefits you can enjoy by choosing to buy a used car as your first car. The pain of chipping and denting a brand new car should be reason enough to settle for a used car as your first one. You can save the great SUV or branded supercar for later in life when you've already established yourself as a good driver with long clean driving record to prove it. However, when you're starting out with your very first car, make sure it's used. According to insurance companies, used cars are less likely to be stolen. If it does break down, its parts are not as expensive as new car parts, even if it's totaled. It gets even better if you buy a small car because smaller cars have a less powerful engine, which makes it less likely to get into a really gruesome accident at a high speed. For all those reasons, insurance companies sell used car insurance at a lower rate. Don'ts. 1. Drink and drive. The best way to get a good deal on your insurance policy is to have and maintain a clean driving record. Nothing kills that record faster than a couple of DUIs. Not only is driving under the influence of alcohol and drugs against the law, but a serious hazard to your personal safety as well as the safety of others on the road. Out of all the fatal accidents in 2009, 32% involved drunk drivers. Driving drunk shows negligence towards society and one's own life. 2. Allow other people to drive your car. It's easy to want to be helpful to a friend in need of a ride, but always offer to drive the friend to wherever he or she needs to be. Don't lend your car, because if your friend gets into an accident, you are responsible. Not only does your insurance have to pay for the damages, but you have to pay the deductible, and it will affect your record, even if you weren't the one driving. 3. Break traffic violations. If you have more than 2 traffic violations on your record in a year, your premium is bound to skyrocket. 4. Drive a sports car. Bigger and better cars are at a high risk to be stolen. They also cost more to repair when they get into accidents or break down. From the insurance company's perspective, Sports cars have the best of engines that can tempt the driver to speed and drive rashly. So just like buying a used car has so many insurance benefits, buying insurance for a brand new sports car for your first day of college will definitely be more expensive. 5. Skimp on coverage. College students might be tempted to get cheapo insurance with minimal coverage. But that's the wrong way to go. You should really consider buying and keeping full coverage insurance on a used car rather than minimal coverage on an SUV, because then you can be assured that for almost anything that happens to you and your car, you are covered. Full insurance will come with a higher deductible, but having a higher deductible is a good incentive to be a more responsible driver. These do's and don'ts are essential points to consider before you buy car insurance. The great thing is that free car insurance quotes are available online, and you can even compare car insurance quotes from different companies and see which one offers you the best coverage and the best discounts to suit your car. Bethany Collins is a work-at-home mother, WAHM, who lives with her husband and 2 kids. She loves to read and surf the internet looking for new money-saving tips, recipes, etc. In her spare time she writes on personal finance, home, life and car insurance budgeting, and other investment options, and grows organic vegetables in her small vegetable garden. Share this video and subscribe us for more auto insurance videos.